Hi there everyone, welcome to the UKStuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melody songs that you can find for free at my website at ukstuff.info. Literally for free, you just go to ukstuff.info, ukulele music in the works of Elizabeth Ragsdale. You'll find this collection of songs there. This is for Cirandeiro, which is on page 23 of her book. It's a Brazilian song, and I've done it with my students at my Spanish immersion school where I teach ukulele to 5th graders as a elementary music teacher. In this video, first of all, I'll do a demonstration of the song on low G ukulele. That's what it was written for. Then I'll do a tutorial for the song. Then I will also record it with high G ukulele and Baritone DGBE ukulele because it will work with those instruments as well. If you're going to use it for baritone, you have to ignore the written notes and just play the tablature. All right, now let's do a tutorial or walkthrough for Cirandeiro. We'll start with making a D minor shape with our hands, and we're going to play 3rd string, 2nd fret. Repeat that. 2nd string, 1st fret, full D minor chord. Repeat the 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string open, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, D minor chord. 2 1st strings. G minor shape in an alternative shape. I use this a lot in my own arrangements of the 1st finger goes to 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the other 2 fingers go around it. So it's sort of like making a G7, but up and over, if that makes sense. So you've got your G minor shape there, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then part of a B flat chord. It's not as hard as a bar chord, B flat though, because you're only using 3 fingers. 1st finger goes on the 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the ring finger goes on the 4th string, 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, 2nd string, 1st fret, then move your 1st finger over and play strings 4, 3, and 2. Ring finger comes down, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st finger, 1st fret of the 2nd string, then lift up on the 2nd string and the D minor chord. Now, this is going to repeat. Now keep that same D shape. This is going to repeat. So you've got the D minor shape here. Play the 3rd string twice. 2nd string, full D minor chord. 1st string, ring finger goes to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. 1st string open, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, D minor chord. 1st string twice. That alternative G minor shape, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, B flat shape, as we've already talked about, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, 2nd string, move over, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string open, then lift for 1/8 note, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string open, and then your D minor shape, but just play strings 4 and 3. Now, full D minor chord, 2nd string, 2nd string open, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2 D minor chords. One more D minor chord. 2nd string, 2nd string open, 3rd string, 2nd fret, G minor. 1st string open, G minor. 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string open, 1st string, 1st fret, then quickly a D minor chord. 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string. 1st finger goes over to make the A7 shape. 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string open, 2nd string, 1st fret. And then something I had to practice a little bit quickly, I'd make the D minor shape with strings 4 and 3. And you play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the 3rd string. 3rd string open, 1st string, 1st fret, and then strings 4 and 3, making the D minor shape. And that's Cirandeiro on low G GC ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Cirandeiro, which is one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melody songs that's available for free at my website at ukestuff.info. Incidentally, if you like chord melody, there are some other resources there, including some of my own arrangements and arrangements by Tony Krimlisk. You'll also find links to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, which is free, and also to the paid works of the late ukulele Mike Lynch. I also have 2 books of chord melodies available for purchase. They are of carols and hymns. You can find those at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. Again, thanks for joining me for the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.